In this video, we will show you how to send money from Canada to India through PayPenny. If you guys want to get started with PayPenny, you can use the links down in the description. First, install the PayPenny app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open the app and sign up for an account using your email address or phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing the required documents. Now log into your PayPenny account. Next, go to the Send Money section and select Send to India. Specify the amount you want to send in CAD. Provide the recipient's bank details in India, including the bank name, SWIFT/BIC code, and account number. PayPenny will show you the total fees and exchange rate for the transfer. Review all the details and confirm the transfer. So that's how to send money from Canada to India through PayPenny. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with PayPenny. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.